panibagong vlog. Tayo makalang panibagong vlog. Saan tayo galing? Dandan? Ateneo?
Yes.
Ateneo Sport Complex Gym. Quezon City. So, dito sigado bumuso na naman yung ilong natin to. No blood na ito kasi English speaking. What's your name?
Gerard.
Gerald. What are you cooking? What is your cooking ano?
I'm making fishball.
Pagluto sa fishball.
Yan,
fishball.
fish.
Ball fish.
What?
So, you are eating a fishball?
Eating fish balls.
Yeah.
Pero walang sausawan. Eating my balls.
Where you from ano?
Norway.
Norway. So, you ano, cooking in the...
Gago!
Cooking with Gaya. Cooking with Gaya.
Hoy! Kung ay matulog, magpatulog kayo!
Cooking in fishbowl siya, o yan o. Galing mo sa, ano, practice sila ng, ano, isa piniforma kayo, ang laban nila sa, ano na, sa may arena, sa MOA. Yung mga kalaban na may tag-ibang bansa din. So, itong pinaka-legendary nila. Yan. Yan o. Yan. What is your name, ano?
My name is Matthew.
Mateo, where are you from, Matthew?
I'm from Norway.
Norway. So, wala. Dugo, nose blood tayo dito. So, mga ka-idol, bahala na kayo. Let's go! Pwede namin tubig dyan ang busan yung tubig. Wala tubig yung mga players natin. So, Gerald, come here.
Yo!
What is, water in ano? Change water? What water? What's talk in change water?
Sabi ko sa Norwegian.
Oh, yeah. No. Speak English. What, papalit, ano?
What?
Water ano? Water...
Naging water boy.
Oh,
Water tank.
no, there's a change, no.
Water change.
Water change. Oh, shit. Water change pala. Shit, bullshit. Mag-change sa change water. Yan, bahala na ko. Yung sa English mga kaidol, bagsak na sa English talaga. So, sa car, change oil. Okay? Let's go, man!
Let's go!
Go! Yeah.
Just leave there.
Nandiyan tayo dito.
Later we put.
Ayan.
Opo, kasi mainit pa yung matika. Sige, tita.
Okay.
Yan ito ay fishball. Fishball. It's my pogi, oh.
Mabilis ko talaga akong ma-inlove, lalo na pag wapo yung kaharap ko.
Idol. So, cooking fishball. Bahala na, hindi ko alam kung anong English ng fishball to.